So today we are making mini stars. We're going to be making these cute little ornaments for Christmas trees, or you can put them wherever you like actually. Now, of course, you don't need a full tutorial on this. This is basically just cutting out a template on either a bandsaw or a scroll saw, or maybe a jigsaw. But I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I will have these templates available on my Patreon account for you. And I'm also going to show you how to make your own little eye hooks to hang them with. Now, this project was super easy. You can make quite a few of them in just a couple of hours, and they're practically free to make. I made these ones with pallet wood. So anyways, let's get started here. I'll just kind of go through this real quickly. We'll make it a short video today. So yeah, basically just cut the template out, glue it onto your piece of wood with just a basic crafting glue stick, and then cut it out. And like I said, bandsaw, scroll saw, jigsaw, doesn't really matter. The 5-point star took about 6 minutes to cut out, and the 8-point star took about 8 minutes, and the snowflake took about 10 minutes to cut. That's partially due to the fact that I've got a pretty weak bandsaw here, and yeah, I think if I had a more powerful one, I could cut a lot faster. I had to go pretty slow. And like I mentioned earlier, these templates will be available on my Patreon. I'm going to offer them for free, but a huge thank you to my first 2 paid members. I wish I had more to offer. There is more to come, but thank you, and really appreciate it. I didn't think anyone would actually want to pay me for anything, so that's great. So let's get to the eye hooks. I probably should have shopped around a little bit more because I found these eye hooks on Amazon, 300 pieces for about the same price that I bought the roll of wire for, which was about $7.50. And these actually look like they would work really well. Now, the reason that I went with the wire is because I was shopping around locally, and it was actually a lot cheaper to buy the wire than it was the eye hooks. However, when I went online, it was kind of the opposite. So definitely do your homework and shop around. I'm still going to show you how to make them with the wire anyhow though, because I think it can come in handy for other projects, and you can actually customize the sizing if you need to. Either way, keep watching because I will show you a trick for drilling the holes into the point of the star so your drill bit doesn't wander all over the place. Now, the first thing you have to do obviously is make the eyelet, and I basically just took a little piece, folded it in half, took 2 pairs of pliers and started spinning it around. And then I cut it to size, and there you go. You've got a brass eyelet. It's actually pretty simple, and this thing will not come apart. Then you need to drill a hole into your little ornament. And of course, it's kind of hard to drill a hole onto a point like this. So all you got to do is create a little flat spot for your drill bit to go into. And I did that with a round file. And this actually worked really, really well. Now I'm using a really tiny drill bit on my drill press. You don't need a drill bit this small. If you don't have one, you can make it a little bit bigger because we're going to fill that hole in with some glue later on anyways. And you don't need a drill press either. You can just use a regular drill. So once the hole is drilled out, you basically just need to place some glue in there and slide the eyelet right in. Now, if you do have a larger hole, I would recommend using hot glue. That'll fill the gaps in there, and then you can slide the eyelet right in there. Otherwise, I'd probably just get some 5-minute epoxy, coat the brass eyelet, and just slide that in there. And I think both options will work just great. And then I just get some twine and make a little loop, and it's ready to hang. So there you go. Nice, easy project for you. You can probably have quite a few of them done in just a couple of hours. All right, I guess that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to check out those templates on Patreon. See you next time.